Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We got some exciting stuff today. My name's Dave.
I'm Scott. We're going to review a fantastic new guitar today.
So the UPS truck came rolling up the other day. I got the call, come on over, let's check this thing out. So we're here.
I'm going to cut into this. Really excited. Been wanting this for about a week and a half now. Actually, it arrived quite a bit earlier than I had anticipated. I ordered the Chameleon blue-green color edition of this particular guitar. Oh, there we go. This is looking really nice. Everything looks very well packed and intact. Oh man. Take the rubber band up the top. Open up that wrap. And this is the first unveiling. Oh. Kind of sticky stuff. Oh, wow. Guys, can you see this? This, oh my gosh, is incredible. There's so much to take in, so much detail, so much craftsmanship. I'll be taking these pickup protectors off shortly, but first impressions are more than I ever expected. The craftsmanship and the quality at this price point is absolutely incredible. So now that we've just unboxed the new guitar, I called my buddy Dave over and I want to get his initial reaction to it.
I tell you, when you get the call, you come over. Pretty sick. You know, not being a guy that just has a stack of Gibsons, the first thing I notice about this is the weight. Holding it, it's a very weighty guitar. When they say it's mahogany, I believe it. The other thing is the color. Look at that color. As it hits different lights, as Scott said earlier, really nice. The hardware, the gear, all seems very nice. Very top quality. Some time and effort went into this guitar. Can't wait to put it through its paces a little bit, try some strumming, and see if the thing tunes up.
Yes.
Hey guys, Dave here. So, you know, if you've ever bought a guitar, they come how they come, right? Tuned, untuned, with whatever strings and whatnot they have on it. Just to be upfront, we have put 9 gauge on this guitar and we have run it through the tuner, and we wanted to show you what it sounds like on a couple clean chords just to get started with it. So let's go with a few chords and see what she sounds like. We're actually running through an orange amp. That's on the middle position. Treble and rhythm. Pretty nice. You know, the switch feels quality. It's got some resistance to it. I like that. And each position definitely sounds crisp. We might do a little adjusting here or there, but so far so good. Nice.
The clear channel sounded great. Thanks, Dave. I'd like to maybe show you a little bit of distortion. good to my ears.
Hey guys, we're going to wrap this one up tonight, but we do have some comments on it. It's been fun checking out the new FIREFLY Les Paul style guitar. You know, a couple of my thoughts are that not all of us are shredders. We're not going to always end up on stage and make $1 million. And another category we may not be in is to be able to afford a $2,000, $3,000 guitar from Gibson.
Seriously, folks, $226, you can have one of these in your house. I am not being paid to promote this product at all. I've watched videos just like this one, and it sold me. If you want to get one, you go to guitarsgarden.com.
You know, a lot of playing guitar is about having fun. Get your tuner out, get these things tuned up, get together with your friends, have some fun, strum some chords. Guess what? You take some chords and a couple lyrics, you have a song. So what you need to do and what this channel is about is get your guitar and get to playing.
So grab a guitar